So students, today we start the chapter motion in one dimension. Let's we explain. In physics, there are two state of body. One is rest. If a body does not change its position with respect to their surrounding and time, then body is called in rest. Body is called in rest. Example, a book on the table. Book does not change position. Okay. And next, according to physics, there are two states of body by their mechanism. Motion. What is motion? When a body changes its position with respect to time and their surrounding, then body is called in motion. Rest and motion, that means when a body does not change its position with respect to their surrounding and time, then body is called in rest. Like example, a book on the table. When a body changes its position with respect to time and their surrounding, then body is called in motion. Example, a boy runs on road. A moving car, etc. Next, nature of motion. Nature of motion. Linear motion. Linear motion is what? When a body moves in a straight path. Straight path motion. When a body moves in a straight path, it is called linear motion. Next, circular motion. When a body moves on a circular path. When a body moves on a circular path, then its motion is called circular motion. When a boy runs on a circular track, that is circular motion. And next, periodic motion. Periodic motion like a pendulum. When a body repeats its motion, when a body repeats its motion after a fixed interval of time. When a body repeats अपनी motion को दोहराता है. When a body repeats its motion after a fixed interval of time, its motion is called periodic motion. Example, motion of pendulum. Next, at random motion. At random motion is what? When motion of bees, motion of mosquito, example, when always direction changes. A type of motion in which direction of moving body always changes at every moment of time. Direction is not a fixed. That is at random motion. And next, more example. Vibratory motion. Vibratory motion, when a body vibrate. When a body vibrate about a fixed point, it is a vibratory motion. A type of motion in which body vibrate either up and down or back and forth for a fixed position. That is motion is vibratory motion. Okay. Some more terms related to motions. When a body motion, then what happens? It travels some distance. What is distance? Distance, the actual length of path traveled by a moving body in a time called its distance. For example, if a body starts from point A to B, B to C, C to D, and D to E, E to F. First distance S1, second distance S2, C to D distance S3, D to E path its length is S4, and E to F the distance is your S5. Then distance is what? The actual length of path, means AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF, the actual length of path. Then distance is S equal what? S1 plus S2 plus S3 plus S4 plus S5. The actual length of path. Okay, this is a distance, and distance is a scalar physical quantity. SI unit of distance is meter, and CGS unit of distance centimeter. Distance of a moving body never be zero. Never be zero. Okay. And for circular motion, when a body move on a circular path of radius r in one complete revolution, how much distance travel? When a body move on a circular path and complete its revolution, one rotation, then how much distance travel? That is 2 pi r. Okay, in one rotation. Clear? So distance is the actual length of path traveled by a moving body in a time. It's called distance. When a body start from A, this is the starting point. A से start किया, B से गया, C path में, C से D path में गया, D से D path में गया, E से EF path. The actual length of path, यानी सारे को सबको ऐड कर देना. Distance you got the length of path AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF. Is total distance, that is the S equal S1 plus S2 plus S3 plus S4 S5. Distance is a scalar quantity. SI unit of distance is the meter. Okay. And the CGS unit of distance is a centimeter, cm. Centimeter. Distance of a moving body never be zero. Distance, if a body in motion, their distance never be zero. For circular motion in one complete rotation, how much distance traveled? That is 2 pi r. Next topic is the displacement. Displacement is what? Displacement, the shortest distance, between initial point and final point, having a fixed direction called displacement. Same figure here. Distance is actual length of path. AB plus BC plus CD means S1 plus S2 plus S3. But this displacement is what? Actual length of path between initial point and final point. It is your displacement. Displacement, that is your ds. The displacement is the shortest distance between initial point. Shortest distance between initial point and final point. That is what? AD, fixed direction. AD, it is your ds, shortest distance. Small value denoted by ds. ds means the shortest distance. ds means shortest distance between fixed direction. It is a arrow sign indicate direction. A to D. A to D. It is a direction. The initial point to final point having fixed direction. So denote arrow sign A to D. That is the fixed direction. The shortest distance between initial point A to final point D having fixed direction A to D. That is the symbol. Displacement noted by ds. Okay, and displacement it is a vector physical quantity. Because why vector? Because of fixed direction. But distance not fixed direction. Sometimes north, east to south. Okay, direction changes. In distance direction changes, but in displacement direction fixed. So it is a vector physical quantity. SI unit of displacement is same, meter, and CGS unit is centimeter. Displacement may be zero. Displacement may be zero, but distance never be zero. Okay.